Okay, this is a modified English translated version of a self-study site I created for my 8th grade Python students. But due to the fact it took a lot of effort to keep maintaining and developing this site, I decided to stop doing so. Luckily, I kept the files and could use them in Project Zero. It should be stated that the original project doesn't use neither Bootstrap 4 or SAS, so apart of the scaffolding logic, I had to recreate the project in order to comply with Project Zero's requirements. The first page is just a cover page introducing the site. In the first page, the students are asked to type the code of a color spiral project, an idea I got from a book I've read once. After typing and running the code, the students are asked to answer some questions regarding this project based on common sense and playing around with the code. As can be seen, the Trinket code editor is always available even when scrolling the page. The check answers button doesn't do a thing in this English version of the project, but it does in the Hebrew version. The second page presents the initial concept of printing in Python. Once again, through trial and error, students can try what can be done using the print function, the difference between printing a string and evaluating arithmetic expressions, and alike. Okay, as can be seen in this case and in this case. Where is it? In this case. Okay. The third page explains a bit what variables are used for, and the students investigate what can be used as a variable name. Okay, in this question, the students can check what can be what is a legitimate variable name, and in summary, to choose from the options presented in these two drop-down selections. Developing the project wasn't a very difficult task, as I completed it in 3 phases. And the first one, I just translated my Hebrew project from Hebrew to English and modified just the minimum CSS needed, mainly the direction of the site. In the second phase, I implemented the Bootstrap 4 components, namely replaced the original navigation bar with one available in Bootstrap, added the grid layout, and changed some traditional input components with their Bootstrap 4 equivalents. Okay, in this case, the original project used traditional radio buttons, and I thought that these color ones can be used better in this version. In the third phase, the last phase, I implemented the SAS. Defining variables for the colors, I guess, is inevitable. Second set of variables is used to define components, the component percentage to use when the site is used in a responsive mode. Okay, for example, just a second. Okay, so I defined 2 queries for different sizes of the site. Overall, it was fun and enjoyable to develop this project, and I feel ready to start project 1. Thank you.